Hi, my name is Dre Price, and I'm a licensed loan officer here in Texas. Recently, I've gotten a lot of questions from friends and family asking just what they can do to put themselves in better position to buy a home. And as a result, I wanted to start a weekly video series I'm calling Mortgage Mondays. Each week, I'll upload a short, informative video with helpful tips to get you that much closer to getting the keys to your dream home. The first video in this series will focus on how to navigate a competitive housing market. As many of you may already know, home inventory is shrinking, and homes are selling faster than ever. According to Realtor.com, inventory was down 26.8%, and homes were being sold 11 days faster in 2021 than in 2020. With less available homes and less time to make offers, you need a plan of action to put yourself in position for success. I have put together 5 tips to help you better navigate the super ultra competitive real estate market. Starting with number 1. Before you even consider making an offer, you'll want to get with the lender, like Global Home Finance, for a pre-approval letter. Think of this as your golden ticket into the Willy Wonka chocolate factory of home ownership. This letter will tell you how much of a mortgage you qualify for, so you know off the bat how much you can offer on a home, and thus it'll help you concentrate your search. Moving to number 2. As you begin your search, you'll want to have a realtor on your side who you align with and can trust. Think of your realtor as a safari tour guide. You want someone with experience navigating the terrain. Someone fierce, who not only has a strong reputation with sellers agents, but also an advanced knowledge of home contracts. Therefore, you can rest easy, knowing your money and interests are protected throughout your entire home buying experience. Here at Global Home Finance, we have tenured realtors who do have your best interests in mind. Moving on to number 3. Making an offer on a home, like most other things in this world, isn't free. In a highly competitive market, shrewd prospective buyers will submit what's known as an earnest money or escrow deposit, usually about 5 to 10% of the purchase price. This goes a long way towards showing the seller you have money available and are serious. The earnest money will eventually become a part of your down payment at closing. Now, the down payment is even more important than the earnest money. Down payments can range from 5 to 20% of the purchase price, sometimes even more. And the cold hard reality of a competitive market is that the more you promise to spend towards the purchase of your home, the more likely a seller is to accept your offer. But there are options available to those that may be a little more cash strapped. You can boost your bid by applying for first-time home buyer grants or down payment assistance programs. Explore all avenues available to you. Any additional grants can help make your offer look that much more appealing. And number 4, even when making a strong offer in this market, you might not find a home that has everything you want before someone else swoops in to buy it. I strongly recommend making a list of things you want in a house. Split your list into must-haves, things that would be nice to have, and things that you can do without. For example, maybe you need 3 bedrooms, would like a huge kitchen, and could go with or without a larger backyard. In a highly competitive market, there's not going to be a perfect house. The house is not going to have everything you want, so you have to be willing to compromise. You can always make improvements down the road once the home is yours. And finally, last but not least, number 5. Don't confuse compromising with panic buying. Patience is a virtue, because buying in today's market is so competitive. Be prepared to compete against 10 or 20 other offers and set a limit ahead of time on how much you're willing to spend. Work with your realtor so you understand which homes are a good value and which are overpriced. But understand, even while doing this, it can be hard to resist the urge to outbid others if it means securing your dream home. Stay patient to ensure you don't go overboard. Make sure that it fits within your comfort zone for your monthly budget. To put it in other words, focus on making an offer that you can live with. You'll be able to sleep better at night. And lastly, in review, while house hunting in a competitive market can be super intimidating, it is still possible to find and close on an ideal home for you and your family. Prioritize getting a pre-approval letter, find a realtor you can trust, save, and then save some more for your earnest money and down payment. Make a list of priorities for your dream home, and practice patience while also using targeted aggression when you found the home you love. Once again, my name is Dre Price. I'm a loan officer licensed here in Texas working for Global Home Finance. I hope you find this information helpful, and I hope that you will consider me for your pre-approval letter and any additional home financing that you may need in the future.